Okay, dear friend, now it is time to discuss the transfer of heat. Okay, you should not forget heat energy always flow from higher temperature body to the lower temperature body till equilibrium. Means always it flows from the hot body to the cold body, means warm body to the cold body. Now here we need to discuss the different modes of the transfer of the heat. So here in your book, or we know there are the three different modes of the transfer of the heat. One, conduction, number B, convection, and number C it is the radiation. Means three different modes are there by which heat transfer from one place or one point to the next. Now let us discuss what is conduction. Means the mode of conductions or the mode of transfer of heat in solid medium is called conduction. Example, when you just hit a iron rod and when you just touch the other end, then you feel after certain minutes you feel the hot or the warmness. Means some heat is transferring towards your body by the conduction method. Now number B, convection. Means you have to write the definition in this way: the mode of transfer of the heat not in solid, rather in a fluid. Now fluid are those substances, liquid and gases which can flow. So the mode of transfer of heat in fluids, either in a liquid or a gases, is called convection. Suppose you might be boiling the water, and when you touch that water you feel the heat energy. And when you just go in a suppose when you are sitting inside the room and when the sun is hitting the outer atmosphere, the outer air, when that blows towards you, you feel the hot gases or the hot air. So air or the gases also carries heat, so they allow the heat to flow through them. Now finally the radiation, the mode of the transfer of the heat without any material medium, means through vacuum. Means no material medium is required, no solid, no liquid or no gases are required for transfer of the heat, then that process is known as radiation. Suppose you might know, means the sunlight need to travel through the vacuum also. Now we are getting the sunlight, it means that heat is coming in vacuum in the form of the waveform. So when the heat is transferring in the form of the waveform, or means absent of the material medium, at the time you should conclude it is the process of the radiation. An example, you can write the heat coming from sun toward the earth or any other heavenly bodies like star to the other bodies. So dear friends, radiation is the fastest mode of transfer of heat among all three modes of heat transfer. Why radiation is the fastest? Because radiation is the fastest because this process, because while the heat is transferring through radiation, it does not faces any obstruction. Obstruction means any obstacle due to the molecules or the atoms, just like that of the material medium in solid, liquid or gases. Because they have the molecules, means heat energy need to overcome the molecular force of the material medium, but when in case of the vacuum, it does not have to face any obstructions of the molecules, so it can easily and fastly can travel through the vacuum, and it is the fastest means in the form of the waves. Remember, the mode of the heat transfer by the radiation method, it travels in the waveform, exactly the electromagnetic waveform. Example, heat coming from the sun or the stars toward our planet or any other planets. Now it is time to discuss what is conductors and insulators. We should not forget that even though we know that heat transfer through the solid medium, but all the solids cannot transfer or cannot allow the heat to transfer through them. One example here, so on the basis of that, solid material means we can classify the two types of the material, two types of the solid material. One, conductors. Conductors are those materials which do not allow, which allow the heat to flow through them easily are called conductors. So you might have seen the iron means the metals, iron, copper, aluminum. So the vessels the utensils are made using this kind of metals, because we need to flow the heat very very easily through them. But on contrary to this, you can go through the insulators, because when you discuss about the pressure cooker, you might have seen the most of the cookware are in metal forms, and the some portions where we need to just handle that device or the handle that cookware, it is made of the insulating, that is the bakelite, means the black thermosetting plastic you might have seen, which do not allow the heat to transfer through them. So you can discuss, you can write the definition of the insulators like that, those materials which do not or which completely block the heat to flow through them are called insulators. Example, plastics, PVC pipes, bakelites, wood, etc. So dear student, I think you should not have any problem in this chapter first of the physics, that is the heat. So chapter ends here. If any query, if any problem still remain, then definitely you can go through, you can discuss through the comment sections of the YouTube channel of this video of your class 7, and at the time when I get the leisure time, I shall just reply to your comments, so that it makes you more convenient to study at your home. So dear student, stay at your home safely along with your family.